OKFM 101.7.
Nti yenkodi nkomo kakra. Honorable Memoaje. Honorable, good morning.
Kwame Johnson charity phone.
Ati fo nyina Johnson aboko de.
Kwame yetim komedia. Daradia.
Ye de radiasi. Na sei enura ade na aba mo beko business setting no na mo form korom.
Yo me da say wakaya fiti na twa mu na a minority shall say the ada any question and answer minority leader the court no is any juma the court so much or court the coban is na in the majority side evenya jintra omune yempini for no leaders no kasa sese boycott na no anka ebia omehwe na ometia no but omanya nsa omo tie sikrom no omo keka nsemo a ense so omo kafa ya esanse even though aye timpe ewo masebuga fio no eno nche se yen ye ni ho a omo ntimi ntuma ati trene se ye dodo ye pe nti se yen ye ni ho a omo afa no omo ye oha edi nsia nwotwe so da bi oha edi asanwotwe
Wa adu asanwotwe, okay.
oha edi asanwotwe
138
nti se yen ye ni ho a yen afọ ni ho a eso mutiminya omo dodo a ebema ewo mram no de fa no korum no betimi nya korum o mdu be etwa but omo nya korum ni nya etwa Ushe proceedings omo dodo a to de dia 20 30 35 yes
wa mo kwani
ya be kanu wase enti na fe omo tete sen yen boycott na ya yen no eno nti na ye omo no so ma se bejomo enti nye aban ejuma ana se enti nye ejuma except juma dia except parliamentary enti eno a ya anye boycott eno a court but ye leadership no decide is well yen bi no yen kakra bi obeko e ko eno akwame na nipa 35
majority plus minority ni nyina 35
yeah 35
it mu no minority na mu decide say mbekọ na mu yesey
yen ya kwankwa na 18
ibajo 18 plus 18 menya sempo
menya 36 18
ena no amuso yesey
oh eni esa utusia
na ene so o ma amakura nke
thank you enti awana ni so eno adwumande ye de se ni enyi esa se supreme court akasa constitution nso kasa wa article 102 sana brasa be jomi be sia akase ye di dwumade bi ebe seso no ese se yenya dodo bi na osisin ye numbers a dodo a ese ye de se dwumade na se no 91 David 91.6 nti nipa de ese nipa fani ho nti ye fan 92 adu onkron mi so no you know adu onkron mi you know
we no
enti na me sorry na me yes submission no speaker no person obet massive but say ya otwen ya unze asemo america no eyemra eye procedure yenso ntimi nyehwe ye bibi enyeyi nti na say ya pon
Obani minim say ho mo whipping system no ni ade majority whip minority whip mumpo de is a special case ba wo majority whip no ade na wo mo ka kire mo wo ho se wo mo nipa no wo mo yi
wa me wo mo bodon be se don hwefa na wo Kumasi we campaign wo about me ti na wo campaign na your board don wo parliament zebra obetumi aba
nti ya onya nse no omo edi Dr. Mamu Bomi echi
wo we msen kura won ti lu
debi
this all sama this all ya
o ba te ebia wo na ado ani abuse bia no omo vice president echi
o kwa me ho no mo bebre na ho no mo asa yen dia ni ya wara yen dia ya boycott no yen dia ya dodo on dia nyina ye tafi ho Igna by.
Wow.
Igna near premises for. But in Pigeon Force and Yanka Crazy, Yanko said the BBC. Almost Majuma. A buying way, my Yakwadra, my Quadron will do Parliament. Almost Majuma.
But my point in is say, so the old can no cre no will be a year in the presidential ambition campaign. Parliament there so bet me about because baby adrun.
Why yeah, and some no women there maybe almost persistent. They all want favors from the vice president.
Oh, but so Nyankopon nyame de si hino.
Well, who's that one in the chair? If you are no me out. It's almost not persistent. It's almost not the vice president. Na kwa mi anka na intrasebe no obio ndi ti omu wen na omu kwa brochire kura wumba omu ko ba bia omu na the vice president here or your campaign
nipa be de o kan na chese wo kan nipa be wo hawo
me say omu nyina the vice president na vice president o call round so ka dodo idine obi apefeve Bien perfect. The same applies to the Yatisa CEOs. I attendance one market register now.
Intinama Baumia signal na strong son.
Oh, but when you signal no, your delegates now. For my shit. For my shame. Na dia Canada Japan e ka gum no nte
no according to nkoma ye di ni ha no Canada Japan is not referring to any individual but I'm so kasa chere party
ayo mami
hello
so person ni Nyankopon kasa u kasa gum from mu
no kre upe asma ka che nyame na ka che mframa na mama musa question bi
okay
we ya enura e ba sa na mo form quorum no den na mo be ye ana speaker si gina ye ben
mante question
ha me say enura no na mo form quorum e wo mbahye bedwam no speaker o si gina ye ben
speaker
ai ana mo si gina ye ben
ya pon
Ntina mo koso na se sa na ti ambasa pon
and me say me no kasa me say me ho awie if you are your friend me call merchant to don't so ameka as a buy MPK as o bu beduma o mu meduma as o bu beduma
e bi so a enema e wo business no so e no so table no so no e no so sa
wa me enye business asem amrani say the alsan e be nshemu no say nya dodo ye dodo ne so a ye sia enye yi it's as simple as that and yen ya fa de ya beba abanya fa o mu ba so mu to ato say yen mom ne sabotage aban enti na pese o man no hu say e aban na nkasa na sabotage o man enye yen o mu mejuba
the leader way
if I tell you we are not.
What's hey?
That way they are to sing.
Sound.
It's above my pay grade.
Na mami musa de baako. Enti na muso mo boycott no. Yeti BBC say for 15 days bi se mo ama eno no dabre ye be declare by election ni manema. Saa de no per your case say adwuma.
So nkofo nko hu school, omunko all side no omunsa nko hu school. Enya sa na tie. The tell say if after 15 days the MP Amejuma you will have to refer the matter to the privileges committee for him to show cause. For him to show cause, and he say he has to have a reasonable explanation. So any reasonable explanation and a declaration of vacancy. Now me for political reasons, now me a boycott. Is that a reasonable excuse? It is. Into Kwame and there.
But is it written in black and white? Say for political reasons, there's a way boycott and only in can.
Why not say? They say I should have an excuse, a reasonable excuse.
Okay, as a reasonable excuse, okay.
Why? Koneko Article 97(1). That is one of the reasons for leaving Parliament. If you cross carpet, if you leave your group, if you leave your political party, I don't call and now join any political party for it's a ground for you to be removed from Parliament. So if my political party says you should boycott proceedings in Parliament,
well, let them.
It's a constitutional tool. You use it. So it is a reasonable tool available at my disposal for purposes of doing my politics. Sure.
Wow. Papa na mamimre enura no there was a ruling yera Gyakye Quayson application bi amode kodan court no na eno no neto say
anya de be kwame court na kasa nti almost the Ibrahim yemra court de bi okọ
na nei mu bako
ane be ko obenne court sibra obenne
ye wo
say Quayson semwa omo man injunction Supreme Court man injunction h3 omo yi for Parliament or sanko here by election or so winning. They are still using the same court to prevent him from coming to Parliament. It's the same approach. It's the same. The form has changed, but the substance is the same. It's to keep him away from participating in the parliamentary proceedings.
I know. We know. Why not? Yes, I did.
Or court Monday to Friday. So set review. That is what the court is saying. So say you be dinner them no. A daughter bisi a tiada. The biasa over court. Na kwame yeah lawyer for ye court a juma na kwa bro. We get tired. So we don't do it. It's not reasonable say overma an accused person to attend court every day, Monday to Friday, every day of the week. By
Ebiswa, like an expeditious trial, so that we don't fit in them.
What is expeditious about? Do you know how many witnesses will be called? Question, only witnesses are questioning my friend.
There be minimum there.
Exactly. We don't know how many witnesses are prosecution my friend. You can disclose, say, you may want to call 10 witnesses. The accused persons who can disclose, part of disclosures, witness statements, also by Cassadia or by 15 witnesses. But in the course of the trial, he can decide to call a material witness are not only available at the time of filing disclosures. So you tell the court that now a material witness is available as a friend, and the court cannot deny him that. So it is a long drawn trial, and we are aware the same way that the court from January 2021. And I said, no, January 2022. At the court.
Hey.
It's the assembly court, no. I free any fun in a no money away. I feel now, ye assembly. Until we have spent 1.5 years on pre-trial issues.
Now, maybe I just 1.5 years on pre-trial issues, you know. And then, Sabrina, not any daily. And I say, one more will say, be 1.5 years, you know. I might have not prolonged to do.
Besides, of a dummy, non-true.
Okay.
Yes. Besides, why is it that the pre-trial stage, the pre-trial hearings were not conducted on daily basis? Besides, because me person you are no, I can't.
So one anka
and to see honorable question the lawyers no cross it.
Yeah, I don't know me musa Godfrey am na mo nka se bia me musa Republican say the Republic versus Gyakye Quayson.
But the Republic is made up of human beings.
Sure. And represented by the Attorney General.
The Republic is you and I. That is why in the Constitution we impose the prosecutorial powers in Article 88 in the Attorney General. And it's a Bisana I am a council. So on no near the prosecutorial powers in Amman is an issue exercise as the occupant of the office of the Attorney General. The issues be war in exercising those prosecutorial powers. Me can't be any akokase me na makanche. We dey bisano. So why is it that for the past 1.5 years, or the assembly court, proceedings before now were not conducted on daily basis? But suddenly, before a week to the election, by-election, or conducting proceedings on daily basis, and we have fought that from the High Court to the Court of Appeal. Almost obviously, no daily basis. I got daily basis in the record. But you say a politics. We and your politics.
But court na akasa. Until where does the politics?
But you think there's no politics in the court? There's politics in the court. There's politics in the court. So we also respond politically. That's what we have done. And now so who me minority whip letter.
Hey, what you want to say?
Oh, you will produce our more copy.
I'm not kind.
Also, we are also escalating our strategy.
Hey.
Yes. But we won't give you the details. If they are escalating,
more escalating strategy, no?
Yes, we are also escalating.
Strategy as in what? Or to do what?
The political approach to the issues. How to deal with the government, whether to cooperate with government to do government business or not. We also vary and escalating our approach.
Including some one here, the baby moon cooperate.
As for non-cooperation, they are candidates, but we are escalating the non-cooperation.
But sounds so. Yen the populace now more representing you. Now you won't say
now they did our moon say the Ubo be queer. Ubo, ya charge on prison, and then last week, Vomao. You're charging or treason, treason trial.
Treason trial, yeah.
Treason trial, as anything. So Uber,
aye.
Uber to our mind. That is the greatest charge on our criminal statute in this country. Or court of a daily trial. Attorney General Kasa dead. No near daddy. Never Attorney General.
Say be a way no be an idea.
Or see daily trial no our Voma case no own to be. Voma or what butcher or what butcher so no of a daily trial. Court said there be Attorney General said. Now Obia or no parliament, they be a about parliament every juma. Mostly on the daily trial. So that's politics. You can't, but these are clear indications of politics being played here. So these issues a microphone come morality. This is politics. So we, as a party, as an NDC, we also need to respond politically. Papa,
na me ade oyo senka woye Gyakye Quayson the client dia ne ba otrimu.
No, if I were his lawyer, it's difficult because Kwame, as a lawyer, your case back home, and now your case back home, you don't have only one case a day. No, so you are asking his lawyer to come to court Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. How will he prepare? It is Monday, he has to be back in court.
Now, one thing a man the lawyers are representing no be business in Parliament.
No, in criminal cases, the accused person must absolutely be in court.
Hey!
It is that one court issue bench warrant say that is, it is not like a civil trial.
But after you issue
in a criminal case, the accused must always be in court. Say, case name must cry. He has to be in court.
But your case we say a bra will be our Parliament. Now Emran so kire say why is on his way to Parliament for parliamentary duty. Any ade no a be our Parliament wuntimi nche no a na is a court no so an kwana court no issue bench warrant so ntimi meche no ana bibi o ha ache no.
There's a very clear distinction there. The brain kind ye. What kinds of constitutional provision now? The constitutional provision uses the phrase a witness. A court witness. So now you are an accused person. You are not a witness before the court. You are an accused.
Mm-hmm.
You are a party.
Mm-hmm. To the suit.
So, to the suit.
Okay.
You are not a witness.
Mm-hmm.
So, and this is not about arrest. With the arrest number, you have been arraigned, you have been charged. There have been investigations, you have been charged, and you've been arraigned before court. So we have moved beyond those pre-trial procedural issues. Since you know you are before court, and you are not before court as a witness. You are the party. You are an accused person. It's such a heavy burden. So it is every single day you have to be in court. Now, for second for Dami Onim, Attorney General Onim, they tell officer for daily trial. It's exactly because of that. Say in a civil action, my case is Bebria, my parties, because it's a civil case. I'm on my court. I only go and announce myself, and the court will say either somebody is representing my client as a plaintiff or defendant. And I say on Makra, but it is not an issue for the court. Once the lawyer has come, it's not an issue. But in the criminal matter, the lawyer has to be in court. You that accused there, you have to be in court. One prosecution asks for a bench warrant. So I say, wait, Johnny. They should show court. They will say all sorts of things. And then your bail, the bail will be revoked. And if you are not careful, the court will never grant you bail again.
Hey.
So they will put you in what we call custody. You remain in custody, police custody, until they will finish with your trial.
But now,
so it's a serious politics being played here.
And as a member of Parliament, we need that parliamentary immunity, no? Okay, a criminal case there.
When you are going through criminal prosecution, there's no such parliamentary privileges or immunity. We are equal before the law.
Wow.
Yes. So the Attorney General, he knows all these nuances. And I said he has to be coming to court every day. And the court also starts at 9. It's a high court matter. And the court starts at 9 a.m. So by 7 o'clock, you must leave home because of traffic and get to court by 8:30 and get a seat and be ready. Because about 8:59, now judge the name by transit now 9. Say court right. The court is in session.
Me better me bo. Me a accused person. Say me better one son a judge number.
Yes. Because from experience, the one prosecution, if you have an unscrupulous prosecutor, or November court where 8 o'clock. So, in fact, the lower court media, they start at 8. That's
okay.
The magistrate court and the circuit court. Almost they start at 8 o'clock. High court, no, and it started from 9. And see, about 8:45, the Attorney General and his team can come and sit in court. And say, Mimi, I'm a young lawyer, and me back, now my client in my 9. If the court starts, Attorney General can get up and say that, my lord, with all due respect, may I seek your permission to call the case of the Republic versus Gyakye Quayson? My back, but my client in mind, the Attorney General has called the case. I can have an excuse, so, my lord, with all due respect, my client is in traffic. Also, issue a bench warrant. No, issue a bench warrant.
And what you what traffic in him?
Yeah. Once they issue the bench warrant,
baby, who be a betcho. Wow.
And see, you see, when they do that, and let me show, these are tricks that prosecutors or another public prosecutors play in this country. Almost bench warrants they can now ask for 1 month adjournment. Who tell me?
Meet you, pa. They
can then ask, okay, now they need to.
Ay. Musa friend bi mu mame na nkomo emudo me susuma obia na ebia na wanya asem of criminal nature. Say nim na ya na enema ewo mu bi. Ene ye de ya adesua de na ye sua de. Enti empani gu nsa. Enema ye keka bi nie. Mo me ya ni mfra nadwo. Eni mfra nadwo no kire se sabi maye be ma ewu na yasaka moma asujafo ma amerkromu na nya bi ware ni asabo the third one mom ye nya aban amane no ekese amane a wanya eye the Republic versus you, criminal in nature. Ebi won common yedi ye wi a na ensaguo no the fourth one no yasi nipa bone ni a eka ne nko nanka yasopa o yafuo mu de mo kama no anya ado no ahwie nsane nyina atu agu kama wie bra misamo akwa babio
kwa me joso kwa me ti di America ne se prosecution omu bisa bench warrant because the lawyer Emma excuse na court and excuse nan tuma they will grant the bench warrant application from the prosecution. So court ni be issue bench warrant say yencho. The next thing on be because some people omudi wa bronchi no so then the matter should be adjourned to like say in a month's time. Almost 2 weeks so. They will ask that the matter be adjourned to say 1 month, so that they can within which time they think that you can be apprehended, because they are telling the court that.
So what you say? Sabra na waji warrant no. What you do kotumua? No. This say
so odi wa bro. Enti the court needs 1 month adjournment ni 2 months because. The other court in your case, they are telling the court, because in as part of our criminal jurisprudence, the trial cannot be conducted in your absence as an accused. And the answer we for the day, no yet, and your lawyer will be helpless. Me, I can say, we should have it 2 down for say 1 hour. Oh, they won't agree. Would you have bro? And the OMG bench warrant now, they will pray for adjournment for say 1 month, 30 days. Court only granted 30 days now. Within the next day, and after the same day, almost in action. Omotewa, they cannot grant you bail because you see, you are arrested on a court bench warrant. So it's only the court that can grant you bail. Police cannot grant you bail.
I think I just say ochu kotumu a wopa appointed date no e no obeka se yemfa amra.
No, man.
Me van say yama warrant no na baby ebehu bia ya kill. But bia date ya court no say mo be sa ba bie mu no bia e be 1 month time ye che wonu a o metimi a very court date ni say ya kill mti ye de oba ana say
they will never do it. The variation of the court date normally will be at the instance of prosecution.
And she said, "What my 1 month no be chimia."
Who as a lawyer say your two clients are now, so you overflow say 1 month no a wadodo into the motion back for your friend abridgment of time. To you want to abridge the 1 month to say 1 week, and I said 2 weeks. And we are whole motion now back file. You have to put the prosecution on notice. They will have to come and say they agree or they don't agree. And over we are not 2 weeks about. Over file motion, a fixed motion hearing date minimum 3 days. Now your best serve and I say and serve one. It means serve one no more, but so they've just been served, so they need another 1 week to come. I mean, trial or lawyers the senior brain.
You na client ni shim.
Okay. Some will do it, bro. They are showing you well power life. Okay, so same, and the police cannot give you bail at your court. So it's only the court that can release your funds, and you can actually tell the court that from your conduct, I say your man bail. You don't want to attend court, and there is no need for a court to never bail. So the court shouldn't grant you bail until the trial is over. They can say all those things. So what is happening to Quayson? And look, it's so deliberate. It's so in some way, it's so deliberate. Or yeah, with the slightest mistake, these people will put him in, even before the trial is over. So he has to be in court every day, punctually. He has to be punctual in court. And that will be missing court 10 minutes. Or Dami will ask that he should be bench warrant the issue for his arrest.
Now, Mammy, if I deal with you, say, o client, and no me fan say, say, a client be na a cause ya dear in the power dream as a counsel for the accused.
Look, let's leave the lawyers out. As a political party, the Abaya Dream say, this is persecution. This is no longer prosecution. This is atete. It's
on the part of mine.
On the part of the prosecution.
Okay.
On the part of the authority exercising prosecutorial powers on behalf of Menewo. It's answer. And yet, no, and all this is equal court. And yet, any answer. And yet, Busumi trade. Who they are some way court and court. A fake. Any fact. A fake. And if I get into 2 years, I didn't necessarily ban say, for free one, as I say, you was a baby. Well, I mean, let's be reasonable. I mean, politics, I can't politics, no, but let's, to say any politics, let's talk about the reasonableness of the issue. Is it fair? Why? The Pani MP only baby, uncle baby, only Juma. Tanzania is to Obama. So where is he going? Where he will not be a fugitive of justice, like we say in the law. Or in other words, he will not have gone from the jurisdiction. So why this insistence on coming to court to be tried every day?
Now, law. You are
and TMU and they fix the hearing time in such a way that once the Parliament, say Juma say 10 o'clock. Because of the nature of the business and issues being, it's 10:30, 11. na yɛpɔn enyumrɛ anaasɛ tɔde de anadwo nsa ne apɔn. Meanwhile, you fix the hearing at 10:30 anaasɛ 11 sometimes. Eti wo ti mi mba parliament enye juma kakra ansa na wesi mu aba court. So he has to spend his entire day every day in the court.
Hey.
It could have been done that on my parliament. Parliament normally no emrani say ye juma from 10 to 2. That is our standard sitting time. And see, any time our proceedings call beyond 2 o'clock, no, Ubeti says Speaker Becca said he has to extend sitting time beyond normal hours. So a time is always extended when it is 2 o'clock and after. And see, we can agree, say, back court na about 2 o'clock and now 2:30. 3 no aba. Then the court can conduct its trial for like 1 hour.
Na mami Mr. Kwashi, say a girlfriend there, you belong to the same profession. Na nka adena the legal team ne bia come a bra girlfriend when say God day. Sale
Godfred is the youngest attorney general. But he has also become the most vicious attorney general I have ever.
Oh, there be West now.
And I will withdraw.
Mr. Pacho.
I have a basis for saying this. Okay, I withdraw.
I see.
I withdraw.
I see.
The viciousness that the office of the attorney general mechanicize the whole attorney general's department, including the state attorney.
And who has it?
That they are demonstrating in this case is so unreasonable. It's so unreasonable. Because you see, Kwame, go and conduct an audit in that court. I don't think, and I stand to be corrected, there's no other criminal matter that the court hears every day in that court. Every day, Monday to Friday, every day until the end of the trial.
A special in nature.
What is special about a case of forgery? Go and see. Even district courts are handling cases of forgery. District courts. Go and see the magistrate courts. Police prosecutors are charging people all the time with forgery. Forgery of documents. Police prosecutors.
The send here. And Yami Adam Namoba. Why are Muslim back to back?
And then the misdemeanor, the indictment, forgery, the high court forgery. Forgery of allegation of forgery of documents. It's an indictment. It's also an issue.
Baba, na mami mus adiwi. Adena, let me say about to that question, Sebia. Kamubeko me say let me back to that question, Sebia. Kamubeti akọ Godfred ni office. Ne bia kamunu na kaseminia. What are
on my near nyina dia yempa obi ato. We will not go and rob.
We no more discuss it.
Me say we will not go and rob anybody's ego. Yempa obi ato. Yempanito ne yempanito tra.
Okay,
Opese obe panito. Yempanito ne yempanito.
Me na me can say another sebia niema bako form tino.
Me say enoma bako form saying.
Sebia.
So is that what he does? Opanito wa na where he's not supposed to prosecute, then he won't prosecute. And what is not supposed to prosecute, then he will prosecute because I'm a panito. Is that the kind of AG we want? He thinks that he's doing the right thing. And we also think that we are conducting the best defense.
I see. And yet, yenya moko the besie bia no. Na
serious politics. No. Until we have to respond to him politically.
Ah, sanity.
Oh yes. Nyen something na na law eh. The problems live you ha. Ya ni bi ha. Enye law na anu.
Ayi abebu adwumadie na meyɛ no ebe bi wo se abonsam yare ye de ayi o se abayare ye de abonsam yare ye de abonsam duro na etuo.
Thank you. That's it. No pay.
Brame that's it.
Yare we enye law through. They do my serious policy because it's a political party.
Okay. And yeah, me that's a pa na ochuna de e Friday.
Okay, say you bisa no of course. And so na you beto aba no by election no say Quayson was engaged in a selfish quest. In a selfish quest. That's how he described Quayson. Or a candidate for the NDC in the Asino by election. And as a lawyer, Kwame, go and read LI 24-23, the Legal Professions Etiquette Rules 2020. Go and read Regulation 52 thereabouts and see whether the comments of the Attorney General regarding a candidate in an election doesn't amount to a misconduct of a professional lawyer. To describe somebody who is contesting a public election as engaged in a selfish quest, that's a misconduct. Okay?
Maybe said you say he lied under oath to be an asadi no ever.
No. He was describing the conduct of somebody engaged in a national election.
Okay.
You cannot make unguarded comments about a judge. They have given a whole list of groups of categories of people. As a lawyer, you cannot make certain comments about them. Number one is a judge. Go and check C or D. They can't check C or D after a judge.
Okay.
B, C, D. Go and check. A contestant in a national election. Go and check.
Okay.
I'm running a home. I'm running a home. Na ochna Kwame ochna obi enim ochna asem
bi enim ochna asem
obi enim ochna asem
na je se ochna no wo kan na kire se back to back bembra ma ba power na
Kwame government mi bie na no e ka church certificate se onu kura ye de mitu our court
then baby or your reference say
yes onu kura ye de mitu enti I mean we are there obi any much na asem enti na ne empenyin se the bia se enti na edi kwadu a ija ne ho.
Hey, Dafeamakpor, what in Crawford fans are on the mawo?
Oh, there be.
Say, hey, incoming Attorney General, nie.
Many government, your practice, na me so be the Attorney General.
Oh wow, okay.
Because on there no men politics cry.
Na say we your politics.
No men politics, but if you our court, we speak fine. I mean. Ojinani nanso mi jira mi nanso ti yina ye nimu ye ho say o ye mi senior but you know in the law omo amoya de no ho a unim. You see we respect each other but I never dreamt say obedi Attorney General.
Wo obi ni mo china o.
Come on Attorney General.
Say de menya adi ya fa wo hu.
Kwame let the day be good for all of us.
Amen. But I tell you, see share so okay. It's Friday.
Kwame now cry. Kwame campaign cry.
Hey, yeah me yeah.
So be your fundraising be am.
General election me. Why?
General election dey enjoy election. Maybe hold there. Primaries na election no.
Oh, say because akwa no. Obeya
need the primaries in the election. And me primaries do not Kwame. we are kukwasa ha me. One kinyong.
Actually, you share you be cancel mo table no.
I mean, there be campaign asem the fundraising asem the enka.
Mate. Bye bye. Okay. Honorable Rockson Dafeamakpor, MP for South Dai. Ya na muntie dini South Dai. NDC di mu ene na atwepo no K101.7 so ini
okayfm 101.7